Hi, so today I want to show my new Tula Mic. I just got this in the mail. It was a Indiegogo project that I was interested in. I got an email about it, and I was in the market for a new microphone for working from home, streaming, and recording videos. And, well, I thought this was a perfect microphone to try. The story was really interesting. The history of the founder of the company and the global effort to produce a unbelievable microphone, or so I understand, or so I've been sold to believe, was quite an undertaking during the pandemic. So I will unbox my brand new cream colored Tula Mic for all of you and for my own enjoyment. Here we go. The Tula Mic is a high-quality USB mic mobile recorder for today's content creators and work-from-home professionals. It features uni and omni capsules, as well as Burr Brown op amps to give you studio-quality sound without the studio. With its embedded Clevgrond noise-canceling algorithm, the Tula Mic can reduce unwanted background noise. And with its onboard battery and 8 gigs of memory, it can provide you with up to 12 hours of mobile recording in high-quality WAV format. So, yeah, that's about it. So I've already sort of opened or cut the tape. All right, and so as you can see, when you open it up, there is the Tula Mic. Has a beautiful aesthetic, metal, basic, very beautiful style. You know, looks like something from a different era, maybe something you'd see from the 50s. A rock singer up on the stage with a microphone kind of in this shape. And I think that's the aesthetic they're looking for. Okay. And it comes with a nice wrapper, which actually I had opened before. That's why it looks like that. Didn't come like that. Okay. And then the nice thing is this stand that it comes with comes off with one quick turn, a quarter turn, which is a little difficult with one hand. But there you go. As you can see, I did it with one hand because I'm recording with the other, because I'm such an amateur. But anyway, so as you can see, I have a rather large hand, but the mic is not that large. It's a nice size, very portable. It's the size of a pack of cigarettes. As the founder of the company and the designer of the microphone will tell you at some point, or I think I saw a video of him talking about that. But anyway, so yeah, that's what it looks like. Comes with this stand. That's the microphone. The stand. Also in the box, we have a USB cable. One side is a USB-C adapter, the other, a traditional USB, probably 2.0 or whatever, that will fit in any computer or charging station, I would imagine. Yeah, and so the back of the Tula Mic has this USB-C port. And then additionally, we have the user manual and this mic adapter, which also goes in the bottom of the phone, of the microphone. This right here fits on a standard US microphone stand, from what I understand. No pun intended. Anyway, but I believe there is a different European standard that will that you can buy an adapter for, which will fit on them with the microphone. I think you need to go to the website to get that, though. But this US standard adapter does come with it. Okay. In the user manual, it's a cute little quick guide, which looks really great. And then has a little bit from the founder himself, David Arthur Brown. Yeah, okay. So, the Tula Manifesto. Make mistakes, sing off-key, write bad poetry. Other than love, there is almost nothing that makes a person feel better than being creative. To bring forth something that has never existed before and share it with others is to feel a part of a vast and dynamic universe. At Tula, we aim to create products that make the process of being creative more accessible to people. David Arthur Brown, founder. Yeah. And from what I understand, he's a legend in the audio space. He started another microphone company, Soyuz. I believe it's spelled Soyuz. Some very high-end microphones that recording artists use, like Coldplay, for instance. Okay. Yeah, so some basic instructions about the USB-C adapter, how to use it as a mobile recorder, the stand, how the noise cancellation works, etc. And then on the other side, some more clarity on what all those buttons do. So here on the left side, we have gain up, gain down, skip forward, skip back, mute, noise cancellation, and omni mode, which is, of course, the mode of the microphone. On the right side, input jack, volume up, volume down, record, pause recording, stop, play, pause, and power. And on the back, of course, that's where you would insert the USB-C. So yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Tula Mic. This one I got off of Indiegogo, and yeah. So next, what I'd like to do is record something using the Tula Mic and add it to this video to give you some perspective on the quality of the audio. Hopefully I can reflect that in this video. Currently I'm recording with my Bluetooth headset, so I would imagine I'd see a marked improvement So, all right. I'll be back and I'll set this up and try to figure out how to incorporate it into the video. Thanks. Okay, so I've set up the Tula microphone and I wanted to compare against something we've done before, something I've read before. So let's read the Tula Manifesto again. Make mistakes, sing off key, write bad poetry. Other than love, there is almost nothing that makes a person feel better than being creative. To bring forth something that has never existed before and share it with others is to feel a part of a vast and dynamic universe. At Tula, we aim to create products that make the process of being creative more accessible to people. David Arthur Brown, founder.